Yes, I shaved my head and got a pretty funny tan line. So that's kind of hilarious. Today is Wednesday, and I'm 2 days away from leaving for the camping trip, and I've been working since last Wednesday, so it's been a week straight now. But I gotta get my groceries for the camping trip. But first, breakfast. Sorry, the toaster kind of creeped me out. It's peanut butter and cinnamon honey on cinnamon bread. With the crust chewed off. The first stop today will be Walmart, where I'm gonna be grabbing just some more kitchen-y stuff, like I need measuring spoons and a bigger frying pan. The one I got with the camping set is great, but it's really, really small. And I want to make tacos, and I need more space for the beef and whatnot. So after that will be Safeway, and then home. Because I gotta work this afternoon, and then tomorrow afternoon. But then I'm done for 4 days. So let's go. All right. Time to go. That works. This place is just gotta play radio. It's so loud. Alright, now we're at Safeway. Got what I needed from Walmart. Now I'm looking for some pre-shredded lettuce. Just not seeing any. Am I pre-shredded? It doesn't incredibly late. That's right. Lettuce, tomatoes. This week has been something of a challenge. Working 9 days straight ain't exactly my forte, you know what I mean? Let's go get some shredded cheese. So that's the last bit of shopping. There's no more shopping I need to do. I think I've got everything. I'm set. Now I'm going to work. And then tomorrow, I have to kind of just gather everything and bring it up to the main floor. Alright, good morning, or almost afternoon at this point. It is Thursday now, and it's time for me to start moving some of this stuff upstairs. So I got my bin with most of my stuff, and then I gotta put the bread knife in there. Not this though. I figured keep what's some poisonous away from things that might become my food. Sleeping bag. There's the air mattress, tent, and whatnot. And then I'll be taking that cooler. And then the freezer has got all the ice that I picked up yesterday. There's stuff in here I need to grab as well, but that can happen tonight when I get home from work. Alright, I got everything gathered downstairs. I'll show you that when we add my suitcase to it. Oh boy, it's a step up. Last camping trip I just brought my duffel bag. But this is a little bit longer of a camping trip. It's really hard for me to kind of understate how excited for this camping trip I am. I mean, we all know, if you watched, how excited I was 2 years ago when I went with Matt and Lindsay that first time. And that just kind of reignited the spark of wanting to camping. And that's a really good thing, because if I don't like camping, I don't know how much I'm gonna like van life when I finally get there. And yeah, so I'm really looking forward to this. I'm watching the weather every single day, kind of just hoping for the best while we're out there. I really wanted a nice hot day where I could go take a dip, but doesn't look like that's in the cards this time around. So sometime at this point, or sometime this year on this channel, we're gonna make that a reality. Oops. It's not the shirt that I wanted. That's the shirt that I wanted. I'm not a huge, overly social person. You know, I get peopled out very easily. But at the same time, I'm really looking forward to meeting everybody and meeting some of the people that have, supported me over the last few years on this channel, and making this channel grow. Alright, so far I got 4 t-shirts, and honestly at this point I'm not too sure what else to talk about, so why don't we do the rest of this in supersonic speed. Okay, that's it for now. I'll chill for a little bit before I go to work. So, chances are we'll just see you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. Today's the day. Today is the day. Yes, today is the day. I've been waiting for this for months. Months! I mean, I was kind of waiting for it since last year. Because last year, for the Patreon exclusive camping trip, I was in Thunder Bay. So, yeah. So currently I'm waiting for Sarah Rose to arrive, but I still have to pack up a few more things and make sure I've got everything. And yeah. Okay, I think I'm pretty much ready to go.
You had your shower already?
Uh-huh.
Do you have any kind of an emergency kit, like Band-Aids?
First aid kit? Yeah, I bought one of those.
Okay, good.
So there's that old expression, best laid plans. You can tell this is not Sarah Rose. So yeah, we're gonna meet Sarah. I'm gonna meet Sarah Rose out there. And thank you again, Mom, for dropping me off.
No problem.
Alright, I'm at camp. It's time to set up my tent though. No more lollygagging. No more lollygagging. Alright, everyone. Well, this has been a video 3 days in the making, so I'm gonna end this one here, and we're gonna pick up again tomorrow. I just want to relax for the rest of the night. I worked 9 days straight before this, so it's time to just chill and have some food. So see you guys all in the next one.